Imagine all the air on Earth suddenly disappearing. Not forever, not for a minute, just for 5 seconds. Hi, I'm Nell, and now we'll find out what happens if the air disappears for just 5 seconds. 5 seconds is less than you can hold your breath. It seems like nothing bad will happen. But air isn't just oxygen, it's pressure. It's a force that presses on your body and the entire planet every second. If the pressure disappears instantly, everything around goes into a state of almost complete vacuum. You won't die in 5 seconds. The brain can survive a short period of oxygen deprivation, but the air inside your lungs will begin to expand rapidly. And if you hold your breath, it could cause damage. Due to the lack of pressure, the moisture in the eyes and tongue will begin to evaporate quickly. Now imagine what happens to airplanes. Lift only exists thanks to air. As soon as the atmosphere disappears, the planes lose control and begin to fall. Cars stall, engines stop working, cities fall into instant silence. But the biggest changes won't happen in the cities. The most interesting ones will happen in the oceans. Atmospheric pressure keeps water liquid. Without it, the upper layers of the ocean would begin to evaporate instantly. It won't dry up the entire ocean in 5 seconds, but giant clouds of steam will appear as if the planet were boiling. The water at the surface will begin to boil vigorously due to a sharp drop in pressure. And then 5 seconds pass, the atmosphere returns. But it doesn't come in gently. Trillions of tons of air literally fall back to the surface. This creates a powerful shockwave that spreads across the entire planet. Cities are suddenly experiencing destructive winds and sharp pressure changes. Planes that have started to fall do not have time to regain control. Millions of people are injured not by suffocation, but by the effects of the atmosphere's re-entry. The atmosphere weighs trillions of tons. We simply don't notice this pressure because we've been living in it since birth. When this pressure disappears, the load on the surface instantly disappears. And when it returns, it's like a global impact. Many buildings will survive, but weak structures and glass facades will suffer the most. But the most surprising thing is that humanity will most likely not go extinct. We will survive these 5 seconds. What do you think would be the scariest thing in these 5 seconds? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoy these kinds of scientific scenarios, subscribe. Bye-bye.